Hey everyone, back with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing the how I did my makeup in high school challenge. So I'm going to show you how I do that, and yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so first off, what I used to use, I didn't really use foundation too much in high school. I would use like a tinted moisturizer, like a BB cream. Use this and put that all over my face. Okay. And I never had a beauty blender type of sponge. I just had like the rectangular kind. So we're just gonna pretend like this is one of those. I mean, it's kind of like the same thing. And then I would just blend all that in. Okay, and next what I would do is I would take my really bright pink lipstick and I would just put this on my cheeks, because back then I wanted my blush and my lipstick, lip gloss, whatever I would use, I would want it to match with my blush. So then I would just blend that all in, and my cheeks used to be really pink when I would put this on, because back then I didn't really know which color was best for my skin tone, so I thought this would be perfect for it. Oh my goodness, look how pink that is. Okay, and then next what I would do is I would take my Neutrogena Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer. I would just put that underneath my eyes. And back then I didn't really know how to contour or anything. I mean, all I mostly knew was like concealer. And then I would just blend that out with my sponge. Okay, and then once I got my concealer all blended out, I would just take like a purple eyeshadow. This one's kind of old, it doesn't say the name on it, but I'll just take like a, you know, like a purple. I would just put this all over my eyelids. And I didn't really know how to blend my eyeshadow that well. I mean, I still can't really now to this day, but I mean, it's a little bit better than it was back in high school. I would just put that all over my lid, and then I'm just doing the other side. This would usually be like my go-to makeup, like if I had extra time during the morning when I got up and I wanted to do my makeup, this is what I usually do. It looks something like that. I would take like a small little blending brush, and I would use a black color like that one. Just put the brush in there, and then I'd put it on the outer corner of my eye on the sides, and I would just blend it in as best as I thought I could do. Okay, now it would look something like this, like blended but not really. It would just kind of, you know, just dab it on there. That's literally what I would do. I would just dab it on there and then leave it. I mean, I would blend it like a little bit, but other than that, it used to just look like this. And next what I would do is go back in this same palette where I used the purple eyeshadow, and then I would take like a corner brush, and then I would go in and use this blue right here, and then dab the brush in there, and then I would put this on my lower lash line. Just do it on the other eye. And I don't know what I was thinking, mixing purple and blue eyeshadow. I mean, it's not that bad, but I mean, like, wearing stuff like this in high school, like, what was I thinking? Once I got done doing that, I'd go into this palette where it has all these different colors, so it doesn't say a name on here. Then I would go with like this like copper color, and then what I would do is I would use the same brush I used for my purple eyeshadow, and then go in there and put this on the top, like underneath my eyebrow. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Oh my gosh, I'll just take a little bit. I actually put too much, but this is something what I would do. Okay, and then I'm just doing the other side. I would blend it out just a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at all these different colors. Like a copper color, purple, black, blue. Like, what was I doing back then? Oh my goodness. Okay, and then once I would finish doing that, I didn't know how to do my eyebrows. I didn't know how to fill them in back then. Just, you know, leave them alone. Curl my eyelashes. Okay, and then once I got my eyelashes curled, I would take a liquid eyeliner and I didn't know how to do a wing back then. I mean, I barely can now, but I mean, it's, you know, progress from back then. And I would just go onto my eyelid and literally just do this. Do you see that? That's all I would do. No line, no nothing. It would just literally be like that. No wing, no nothing. I didn't know how to do that back then. I mean, I would do like a tiny wing, but most of the time it would just look like this. And I'll just do the other side. Okay. Then once I did the other side, just leave it like that. For my mascara, I would use like a two-sided one. It would have like a white side on the other side and then like the regular mascaras. Pretend like it was the one that I would use. I mean, it's basically like the same thing. Just these two are just separate. I would just apply this, the white base, onto my eyelashes first. Then I would take the other side of the mascara and then use the actual mascara part. And once I got that done, then do the other side. Okay, then once I applied my mascara to my lower lashes, then I would take the same bright pink lipstick that I use for my cheeks. I would just put a little bit on, like something like that, mix it all in. And then once I got my pink lipstick on, then I would just take a clear gloss. This one's the Victoria's Secret Minty Shine. And then I would just put a little bit on over it, and that's what it would look like. You know, just to give my lips a little bit color, you know? And this is the final look. My goodness, look at that eyeshadow. 3 different colors, black, purple, and blue. Or 4 with the copper. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I used to do this in high school. The lips are not too bad. I mean, it's just, you know, pink lipstick with lip gloss, so that's fine. But the eyeshadow, oh my goodness, what was I thinking? But thank you guys so much for watching. I really had a good time recreating this look that I did in high school, and I hope y'all guys enjoy too and get a good laugh out of it, because I mean, everybody in high school has, you know, their days where they do their makeup and they think it's bomb as fuck, and then you look back at your pictures and you're like, okay, yeah, like, what was I thinking? But leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. Love you. Mwah.